Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to today's Dogecoin video update. Now Dogecoin had a technical target to come up here to the zero point 0.1, right? 0.10390, and I talked about how this one could offer an amazing entry opportunity if Dogecoin was kind of moving up like this, came down to this retest. But the problem is that, you see, retest means that when you come down to a particular line that you've broken out of, you want to come down and hold that line like a boss. If you're not holding any of this line, then you start to close below the line and you start to go up, get your head hit. Then you're looking for this thing to basically drop and drop and drop, and you might see this one actually coming down to this trend line now, and that's going to be down here to this level 0.06135, and that's where you can actually back test this line that you've actually broken out of, and that's a trend line. If I show you on the daily, it's going to make sense in a second here. Yeah, so this is the trend line on the daily. You do have three black rows, this three red candles back to back. That means continuation of a drop to the downside again. What I'm about to say is that you're looking to backtest this line, and probably you can lose that line and continue to go to the downside. So you could actually expect a small bounce off here at 0.06, maybe go back up a little bit to the 0.069, do something like that, and then go down. Who knows? You can actually end up just crashing all the way to the downside. I cannot say anything, but this is support nonetheless of the yellow line, and that's something we're going to be looking at. If it does actually hold the yellow line down here, then you could have a little bit of a move up and then go down. It all depends on what Bitcoin looks like, and Bitcoin honestly looks really bad. Watch the update on the channel, and that's pretty much it for this update on Dogecoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.